I live in High Point. We didn't have all this mess. So I guess a little bit north of us. High Point is south, so in this area a lot of ice storm happened,
Yeah.
which can definitely bring the trees down. Was this bad in New York like this?
No.
No?
There was nothing. We just had
Just
some rain.
Some rain. Oh.
Turn right onto Deacon Boulevard.
Yeah, everything is basically shut down today, like all the church services and everything. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Were you here at the time when we had the big snowstorm, or you were?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, okay.
We got like 12 inches.
Yes, yeah. For North Carolina, that's considered big.
Yeah. That was during finals week.
Yes, nobody was ready for all that huge thing. But for the New York, that's the norm,
Yeah.
12 inches is nothing.
Usually when we get a good storm, it's about...
A feet or more.
Yeah. But we have, the past couple winters have been like kind of dead.
Yeah.
Like we haven't gotten much anything.
No. It was at one winter storm when I remember like 3 years ago when New England was hit so hard.
Yeah.
Like they had snow almost every weekend. People had to pay to get the snow off the roofs because the roofs were caving in.
Yeah. That's why I had to shovel off my deck and stuff because it was collapsing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's so weird. It's like the whole break, it was like so beautiful.
So
out.
beautiful.
And then like right when we have to come back to school,
I
like it
know.
just rains.
A lot of flights gets moved around, get canceled.
It's weird. It's happened like I think October break was. Well, when we got hit by the hurricane.
Oh yes, the Michael.
I had to go to my cousin's wedding, and then November break we got a storm, like a big snowstorm, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, December break we had that big storm. And then I feel like every time I have a flight, there's like a huge storm before.
Yeah.
Whether it's back home or down.
It's like a curse when you have to travel, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. Do I have to show my ID?
No, I don't think it's open, wide open right now.
They don't do it.
After 11 p.m. That's a good thing. It's the High Point University, which is so strict. Gosh, they won't let the drivers in after 8 o'clock if the...
they won't even let them in.
No, not even to pick them up. Even if it's a snowstorm or rain, like heavy rain, they will not let the drivers in unless a student is sitting with you. If the student is sitting, yeah, they will let you in. But to pick them up, you have to wait at the gate, and the riders have to walk towards the gate.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. They're stupid. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. My friend wants to go there.
Yeah, it's like a resort university, to be honest with you.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
They have 3-4 swimming pools and full-size movie theater, a bowling alley, Chick-fil-A inside. I'm sure.
Yeah, they have a couple of food things here.
Yeah.
And a swimming pool, but there's not. I mean, everything is like, I don't know.
Very spread out.
Yeah.
Over there, it's like a fortress.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's like compact.
Here, it's just like.
Yeah, everything
they really mob you with the work too.
Right.
There, I don't think it's as tough academically.
No, it's not as over here. This is a good school for education.
Yeah.
That's like a party school too, mostly.
Yeah. This is not really. I mean, I heard when I was coming here, like I heard good things about the Greek life, but honestly, it's not all that it's like chalked up to.
No.
It's like there's not much activity here.
it's mostly with this juniors and seniors.
Yeah.
They,
You go to the roof.
yeah.
Yeah.
1,000 feet. Arrive at your destination.
It's so weird. It just started raining out of nowhere.
That's the thing coming from the
Oh,
trees.
it's the trees?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
They are melting. I mean, it's the snow on it is kind of melting because the temperatures is just 34
Yeah.
degrees. Just
I was expecting it to be a lot warmer down here.
yeah, you would think so.
Yeah.
No,
Just right
but it
next
will
to-
get right here.
Yeah. This is fine. I'm in the one behind
Oh,
us.
oh, okay.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
You can drop me here.
Okay. Alright. हाँ वो एयरपोर्ट से राइड मिली थी टुवर्ड्स विंस्टन सेलम वो जो स्टूडेंट थे I didn't realize, I mean, in Winston, it's that bad. The trees are fallen down and all that. Because of the weight of the ice. Ice storm north side पे आई है. High point पे इतना नहीं है where the tree. We haven't seen because we don't have much trees here. Everything was rain over here. Everything is covered in ice. I just dropped him off. I just turned off my Uber because inside the university there are a lot of trees and a lot of branches have fallen down. And with the weight of the ice, it can fall down any time, any tree. So yeah, I don't want to drive here because I mean, because there are so many trees here with the weight of the trees. There was a route which I was supposed to take. The road was closed because a big branch of the tree has fallen down, so it covered the whole road. So we had to take a detour. No. I mean, in the same area, but there are way too many drivers. I mean, who took the ride into from the airport into from the airport to the Winston, you know. हाँ वही मैं कर रहा हूँ इससे कि यहाँ पे बहुत ड्राइवर्स भी हैं and I don't want to drive inside the university because there are too many trees and the branch can fall anytime and the damage will be done and you know nobody else will be responsible but you. तो वो जो दो राइड्स के थे इस राइड को मिला के 39 बने हैं don't because Winston Salem was 27 miles. नहीं हमें वो स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं ना वापस हाँ तो उस वक्त वो it was only at that point when I turned my Uber on. I turned it off deliberately when I got closer to the airport. That's when I turned it on. It was at 1.3 surge, so instead of like $5-6 more mile with the surge. Only $5-6 more dollars from the surge. I don't know. I'm turning on in Winston to see. Should I turn it on because there are so many trees here of me. Exactly. जी हाँ हाँ अम्मी जान you still not understanding हाँ rides तो होती हैं मगर it was busy at the airport for the first time that I got the ride even not being at the airport. I was on the south of airport. I know better. अच्छा अपना टाइम वेस्ट किया आपने तो चलो तो मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं मजाक कर हाँ 6:30 नहीं 6:30 यहाँ पे बहुत ट्रीज हैं अम्मी विंस्टन में एनी टाइम अ ब्रांच कैन फॉल डाउन नहीं till all the branches have fallen down because the high point में तो पता नहीं चला ना it was rain at night but over here it's ice मैं वीडियो दिखाऊंगा ना हाँ नहीं करना है आज संडे नाइट है ना अम्मी by that time it will all melt through you know अम्मी यहाँ पे ट्रीज बहुत है विंस्टन में और सब पे आइस है आई डोंट वांट टू ड्राइव इनसाइड अच्छा 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 ओके ओके अच्छा